Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Do you have some old seed packets in your seed collection? You want to know if you can still sow them? For the most part, you should be able to get some viable seedlings, but you can always do a simple germination test to find out. All you need is a plastic baggie, a folded paper towel, a little bit of water, and of course, some old seed. Now all you do, put the paper towel inside the plastic bag. Now add 10 of your seeds inside of the paper towel. Pour in enough water to soak up the paper towel. Now place the bag away for a few days. And then check to see if they've germinated and how many. Now if you've got a lot of good viable seeds that have germinated, then of course sow away. But if you've only got about 50% germination, but some of them look really strong, then just double up your seed in your seed cells. But if you got anything less than that, it's time to throw them away and go buy some new seed.